In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the AND function. The AND function evaluates logical statements to determine a true or false result. All statements must be true in order for the result to be true. So in this situation, I want this cell to be true if the instructor here works in the IT department and has been assigned more than 4 classes, which I have the number 4 down here. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and click in cell E4, then go to the Formulas tab, click Logical, select and the first logical argument is going to reference the department, so I'm going to click C4. I'm going to type the equal sign, and in quotes I'll type IT. And the second logical argument is going to look at the number of classes the instructor has been assigned, and have they been assigned greater than 4 classes down here in cell C21. Now since C21 is going to be used when I copy this formula down, it's a constant. I need to make it absolute. So I'm going to go ahead and press my F4 key, and then I'll click OK. So I'm going to go ahead and autofill this down, and let's look for a true. So here's a true. This instructor works in the IT department, has more than 4 classes. We have false, false. Here we have a true because this instructor works in the IT department and has been assigned more than 4 classes. So that's it. That's how you perform the AND function. This function is often used with the if function, so keep watching all the videos in my series so that you learn how to nest the AND function within an if function.